Understanding Smelling a Rat, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, smelling a rat. If you've ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what it really means, you're in the right place. Smelling a rat is an idiom in English that means suspecting trickery or deception. It's used when someone feels that something is not right, usually in a situation where they think someone might be lying or hiding the truth. The phrase conjures up the image of a rat as something sneaky or untrustworthy, and the act of smelling suggests a heightened sense of awareness or suspicion. The origin of smelling a rat is quite interesting. This idiom dates back to the early 1600s, and it's believed to come from the natural wariness of rats. Rats are often associated with stealth and cunning, and they have a keen sense of smell, which they use to avoid danger. Over time, the phrase evolved into a metaphor for detecting deceit or dishonesty. Let's look at how smelling a rat is used in everyday language. For instance, when the salesman gave me too many compliments, I started smelling a rat. She smelled a rat when her friend avoided answering direct questions about where he had been. In these examples, the phrase is used to express doubt or suspicion about someone's intentions or actions. It's important to use smelling a rat in the right context. This idiom is best used in informal situations, like casual conversations with friends or family. It's not typically used in formal writing or professional settings. Also, remember it's used to express suspicion or doubt, not certainty. And that's a wrap on smelling a rat. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing English idiom. Remember, idioms are a key part of mastering a language, and understanding them can really help in your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting lessons on English language learning. Keep practicing, and see you next time.